Hey everyone! Welcome back to today's video. We've got a wild one, a downright disrespectful courtroom clown facing charges for carrying a concealed firearm. Instead of keeping quiet, he can't stop running his mouth, and in the process, he manages to blow up his own plea deal. Let's get into it.
Yeah, we go, boys. Go.
Lamont, you like that?
Yes, I like that one.
Throw up both your hands. Okay?
Throw up both your hands.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, throw up both your hands.
Oh, okay. Okay, you stay muted, Mr. Bailey, please.
Yeah, y'all
don't
been
stop.
in the courtroom, but I can't.
Beg your pardon?
Nothing.
Oh, I didn't think so. Okay.
No, I ain't think so. I'm just gonna repeat what you said. You said throw up both your hands.
No, I didn't say that, sir. That was not me.
Oh, I was about to throw up both my hands. That's all.
All right.
I was about to.
I'm gonna need
There's John Howard.
this,
Is the attorney here?
yeah, Mr. Howard, your client, and kind of. I just have
You
a
sound like a
strong
man.
friend,
Hey, you sound like a man there.
Oh, there he is. Yeah, John. We're back.
All right, Mr. Holly, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, Mr. Bailey, calling your case 240556-2701, People versus Marvin Bailey.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cal Nature from Plea.
Where's the nitro camera not on?
Oh, yeah,
I don't see him.
Hold on, sir. Mr. Holly, appearance.
John J. Holler on behalf of Mr. Marvin Bailey, who's joined us by the Zoom technology.
All right, Mr. Bailey, I need your name, sir.
Marvin Bailey.
All right, good morning. All right, Mr. Nature, any officers?
Judge, Mr. Howard emailed me some information yesterday to give me more to look at and read. I've had email communication with him. Currently, the offer is no reduced plea.
All right, how you want to proceed today, Mr. Holly?
Well, the offer is no reduced plea and two years of probation. Isn't that right, Mr. Najjar?
Correct.
Okay.
With other conditions, that's correct.
Okay, with some other conditions to be determined. If we can do a situation where my client can pay in lieu of community service, something like that, we can take a plea today.
The deal on the table is 2 years of probation for a felony, which honestly sounds like a solid offer. But this clown, who clearly earned his law degree from YouTube University, thinks he knows the law better than everyone else in the room.
His camera's on.
I'm here.
All right, you understand what the prosecutor's offer is, sir?
No, I don't.
Mr. Nature?
I don't need to see the prosecutor. Who is the prosecutor? His camera's not on.
What does that have to do with it, Judge?
The offer that we've discussed is to plead guilty to carrying a concealed weapon without a license to do so, which is a felony. 2 years, a sentence agreement of 2 years of probation, and you will have the opportunity to pay.
Whoa, do you kiss your sister with that mouth? Just because your camera's off doesn't mean your mic is too, and little slip-ups like that can easily land you in real trouble, even straight into jail for direct contempt.
Hey.
Okay.
Mr. Bailey, watch your mouth, sir.
Man, okay.
Here's what's gonna happen, Mr. Bailey. If you keep it up, I'm gonna bring you into the courtroom and take you into custody and find you in contempt. Settle down,
All
sir.
right, bro. All right.
It's the judge, not your bro.
All right, sir. Sorry about that, Judge.
Go ahead, Mr. Howard.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. And at the time of sentencing, the court can determine that that Mr. Bailey would be able to pay a certain sum of money in lieu of community service if he so chose. So it would be like an either-or type of thing. So the court would determine an appropriate amount of community service versus an appropriate amount of additional costs or fines, however we want to characterize that he could pay at his election. He would be on probation for 2 years.
All right. Mr. Bailey, you understand what that offer is, sir?
Yes.
All right, you waive your right. Now you understand you have a right to have a preliminary examination, sir?
Yeah.
You waiving your right to have a preliminary examination today?
Yes, sir.
Anybody threaten you or force you to get you to waive your examination right today?
No, don't nobody threaten me.
All right, court's going to accept the waiver. Mr. Bailey will automatically be bound over. Mr. Holler, as it relates to the arraignment, he's standing mute and waives the formal reading of the information.
I do.
Court's going to enter not guilty plea.
Hey, can I ask a question?
The real question you should be asking is whether you should even be asking questions at all. You've got a perfectly capable lawyer on this call, so my advice, run any questions you have for the court through him first.
Go ahead, sir.
Can I ask a question?
Go ahead, sir.
After we do this plea, like after I finish my probation and complete everything, like, would I still be able to get my license? Because I like to have my documents intact, in order and everything.
All right.
I know I was wrong for the case and everything, but like, would I be able to do that?
You have to talk to Mr. Holler about that. He can give you legal advice.
Okay.
All right, please raise your right hand. All right, you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give today will be the truth?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down. You understand if I accept the plea from you today, sir, you give up or you waive? First of all, you understand that the maximum penalty I can impose if I accept a guilty plea can be up to 5 years in prison.
Yeah.
You understand if I accept the plea from you, sir, you give up or you waive certain constitutional rights.
Yeah.
You understand you waive your right to have a trial by judge or jury.
Yes, sir.
You waive your right to remain silent without that silence being used against you.
No, that's not how it works. The court can't just accept your guilty plea unless you admit your guilt on the record. That means you have to spell out exactly what you did that was illegal, not just say you're guilty because someone else says so.
Sir, what you understand is you're giving up certain rights. You have certain constitutional rights. In order to take a plea, you have to give up or waive those rights. That's what
though. Yeah.
All right, you understand that you waive your right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yeah.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
Anybody threaten you or force you to get your plea guilty?
No.
Anybody promise you anything beyond what the prosecutors? Anybody promise you anything beyond what the prosecutor's office has offered you to get your plea guilty?
No.
All right. Anybody, Mr. Nature, daytime, location, faction, basically.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Bailey, on February 5th, 2024, in the area of Binder Street in the city of Detroit.
It's Binder, B-I-N-D-E-R, Binder.
Binder Street in the city of Detroit. At some point, did you have contact with the police that day? At some point, did you have contact with the police that day?
I ain't had no contact with the police. They contacted me.
Right. Okay. You were arrested that day?
Yeah.
Okay. So prior to that, at some point prior to that, did you have a handgun, a pistol?
You said that I had a handgun, a pistol?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had that big Glocky on me.
And was it concealed in some fashion at some point?
I had a 30 round hanging out the clip. I had a 30 round hanging out. It wasn't concealed. It was a big 30 round on it. It wasn't concealed. But yeah, though, I had it on me.
Okay. Was it in a pocket or under a shirt or something?
No, it was outside. It was sticking out. It was hanging out.
Was it partially inside of a pocket?
No.
All right.
I had it out.
Mr. Howler, I don't know if you need to have a discussion. We need to know whether it was concealed or not at some point.
That's what I'm saying. My shit wasn't concealed. That's what I'm saying. I don't even know why I'm going through this. My shit wasn't concealed. It was not concealed.
All right,
Now
Mr.
let's
Holler.
go if it was concealed. And I want to go to trial.
Hold on,
You're
Mr.
what?
Bailey. All right, Mr. Bailey.
My gun wasn't concealed. It wasn't concealed. And I'm sick y'all trying to do me like this.
Nobody's out to get you. And if anything, they're actually doing you a favor by offering such a light sentence on a charge that looks pretty easy to prove. Under MCL 750.227, it's a felony for anyone who isn't exempt to carry a concealed firearm. You've made some vague statements about your gun sticking out or hanging out, but unless it was clearly visible in a holster or your waistband, that means it was at least partially concealed. And under Michigan law, even partial concealment counts as concealment.
All right,
got no
Mr. Bailey.
felonies.
Mr. Bailey, settle down. All right, Mr. Howard.
Man, this is wrong, man. Y'all do
Mr.
people
Bailey.
like this, man.
Mr. Bailey, just listen. I'm not going to accept the plea. I'll let you go forward to have a trial. Mr. Holler, you want an examination date?
Yes, I do.
All right, so Mr. Bailey, you're going to be going on. I'm not going to accept any pleas from you today, sir. If you're innocent, I'm going to let you go forward and exercise your constitutional rights to have a trial. So we're going to the next stage. So the next stage is at a preliminary examination. Mr. Major, as it relates to any offers.
Your Honor, it goes forward as a no reduced plea.
All right. So, Mr. Tooks, can I have examination track for Mr. Bailey?
Not a problem. It's going to be Judge Sabri.
All right, Mr. Holler, this matter is going on the examination track before an Honorable Judge Aaliyah Sabri for a Zoom PCC May 30th at 8:30 a.m. Again, before the Honorable Judge Aaliyah Sabri for a Zoom PCC May 30th, 8:30 a.m.
Okay. All right, thank you.
All right, Mr. Bailey, you going to the next stage, sir. You're going forward to have a preliminary examination, sir. You got that date and time?
Yeah, 'cause I ain't going out like that, man. I can't go out like
fine.
that,
That's
man.
fine, sir. You can exercise.
I can't go out like that. That my shit wasn't concealed, man. They trying to play
Fine,
me dirty.
All right, you can go forward, sir, and have a trial. Have a good day, sir.
All right, folks, that wraps up today's video. Judge Sab sometimes streams her cases on YouTube, so there's a slim chance we'll get to see this one unfold. But if I had to guess, I'd say this guy's warped take on Michigan law just turned what could have been probation into a real shot at jail time. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit dislike. And don't forget to drop a comment below and subscribe with notifications on so you never miss my content.